Hello friends, today is 14 December and I'm going again to use the Simba Miner PRO software to generate some free bitcoins into my blockchain account. And let's talk about my new giveaway for you friends, where everybody can get some bitcoins for free. So for the start, let's see, because this is my blockchain account where I have 0.16 BTC. Okay, and let's start the Simba Miner PRO software. Okay, so let's log in. Don't forget, as I said many times, that this software has a referral system or pays you 0.01 BTC for every person what register under your unique referral link. So share your link with your friends and you will get 0.01 BTC. Okay, so let's go to Miner tab and I'm going to choose my settings. But here you can test and set what settings suits the most for your computer. Okay, I'm going to use the blockchain and work miner drones. And the CPU affinity always to be checked at 5 for maximize your bitcoins, your earnings. So the only thing you need to do is to hit the start miner button and wait that the miner to process your request to the server. So we'll finding a new blocks and resolve it and generate some bitcoins to your Bitcoin address. So as you can see, here I use a laptop, an Intel Core i3 of 2 GHz. It's not so powerful CPU, but the last version of this miner, it's a GPU support. So if you already use this software, the last you need to download the last version from the website, from the simbatools.com. And you will maximize your earnings, because I saw a lot of people who generate only 0.4 0.5 BTC per day with the last miner. But with this new version, what support your GPU card, your graphic card from your system, you will maximize your earnings, and you will earn at least 0.5 0.7 0.8 BTC, as you will see on this case, because on my laptop I always can generate 0.7 BTC per day. And yes, this software works only one time per day, so don't try to cheat the system with proxies, socks, VPN, VPS, and so on, because you will get banned and never use this Simba Miner PRO again. Okay, as I said, your CPU managed to mine 0.7615 BTC. So let's go to wallet, load my Bitcoin, and withdraw. You are going to withdraw 0.7615 BTC. Yes, you have withdrawn success 0.7615 BTC to your wallet. So once again, if you use this miner for the first time, you will be asked to pay a small fee for miners processor payment, but that fee is only for the first withdrawal process. After that, all withdrawals will be free and instant, as you can see in this video. So let's say if I've got a payment, and yes, 0.7615 BTC on December 14 at 1:23 p.m. As you can see, now I have 0.92 BTC into my blockchain account. So the software works very well. The withdrawal process, it's instant. And that time when you have to pay that fee, and after that all withdrawals will be instant. So for the moment, now let's talk the new giveaway server for you guys, because until now I was making the giveaway into the comment section of my videos, but now you will find a link into the description of this video, a link to the giveaway server from the simbatools.com/giveaway, and from here you can all get some free bitcoins, because as it's right here, you need to send some bitcoins to the server, and the server will recognize your address and will send the amount of giveaway you send plus double of your set. So if you send 0.01 BTC, you will get 0.02 and so on. If you send 0.1 BTC, you will get 0.2 BTC. So yes, that's it. The server will have only limited bitcoins, so you have to hurry and get some free bitcoins to all of you guys. So that's it for today. Don't forget that this giveaway I will link. It will be posted into the description of this video. So click on that link and participate on the giveaway, guys. So that's it for today, and see you tomorrow.